Our lesson for today, to me, is one of those topics that just kind of is common sense, and it's called random sampling. So when I do a random sampling, I want to make sure that I am talking to an unbiased group. So unbiased means that they don't have a preconceived notion already of what is the best, or maybe they don't have a loyalty to something else. So let's say that I wanted to find out what the favorite school lunch is. Well, does it make sense for me to talk to just the people that bring their lunch to school? Because if they bring their lunch to school, then they don't know what the school lunch tastes like. So that would not be a random sampling. That would not be a good selection of people for me to talk to. Do I want to talk to just 7th graders here at B.F. Grady? That would not really be a random sample either, because I would be too select in my group. So maybe a random sampling would be each group that came through the lunchroom, I asked the first 5 people. Or maybe I asked the first 3 people, but it would be at random, and it would be people that used the lunchroom. So that would be my best random sampling. Now let's say that I wanted to open a car lot in Albertson. Would I want to go to Raleigh and talk to people at the dealerships in Raleigh about opening a car lot in Duplin County in the Albertson area? No, because it's not the same clientele. So I would need to talk to and do a random sampling in our area, because that makes a lot more sense, because that's the people that are going to be buying our cars most likely if we were opening up a car lot. Okay, let's say that I was going to open, I wanted to do a concession stand at a soccer game. Would I want to go to a ballet and ask those people at the ballet what their favorite snack was? That would not be a good plan of action for me to prepare snacks for a soccer event, to talk to people at a ballet event. So I would want to go to local soccer games and find out what the best and most eaten snack was, favorite drinks, favorite snacks, all that kind of good stuff. So random sampling, it needs to be random, and it needs to target the group that you are interested in. So anyway, that's just kind of a quick common sense lesson for today.